Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about skincare tips that will transform your skin. Now, um, I am all about skincare because the base of having a good makeup, which I always say, is having a good skincare regime. Um, why I wanted to do this video was because festival season chal raha hai, and a lot of women out there, including myself, love wearing makeup. You have a lot of either events, parties, weddings, functions, dandiya nights, garba nights, Diwali functions, Karwa Chauth. A lot of these festivals are coming up, so we all do want to look good. So we do wear makeup, but in order to have a good makeup, you need to have a good skincare. So I have everything jotted down in my diary just in case I forget, which I don't want to forget. I will go through them step by step. I'll go ahead and explain them to you in detail if needed. Most of them are just basic common, which you guys would already know, or you guys may have forgotten, or you guys haven't done it in a long time. So I'm going to remind you to go ahead and take care of your skin now, and then your skin will thank you later a few years down the road. So number one is get to know your skincare type. If you have an oily skin, or if you have a dry skin, or a normal skin, or an acne prone skin, or an aging skin, you need to know what type of skin you have so you can work on your skin accordingly. If you have a dry skin, you'll make your skincare regime would be different as compared to an oily skin or an aging skin, or if you have a lot of acne on your skin. So work on it. So number one tip here to find out if you don't know how what your skin type is. Well, most of the women out there do know it, but if you don't know it, the number one tip here is wash your face with a good cleanser. Pat it dry with a towel. Don't rub it with a towel. Thoda aram se pat it with a towel, and wash your face with warm water. Kosa pani jisko aap kehte ho. Wash it with warm water and then leave it. Don't put anything on your face. Koi cream nahi, koi eye cream nahi, koi spray nahi, koi rose water nahi, nothing. Just leave it as it is for 30 minutes at least. And then after 30 minutes you'll find out how your skin is. Agar wo aapko khicha khicha feel ho raha hai, if you feel as if your skin is stretching or pulling, then you have dry skin. Or if you see oils poking out of your nose, on your forehead, around your nose, you have an oily skin. You'll just know. आपको अपने आप पता चलेगा. So you should use the skincare products accordingly to your skin type. But that is how you find out. Next is make sure you know how to layer. जैसे हम serums use करते हैं, eye creams, moisturizers, face oils, so on and so forth. But if you don't put them accordingly on your skin, then you're not doing anything for your skin. आप लगा ज़रूर रहे हो, but if it's not working on you, then maybe you're applying it wrong. But make sure you know how to layer. So if you're using a spot cream, an oil, or a moisturizer, a serum, so on and so forth, if you're using all of these products on your skin, if they're not working on you, it could be that you're not layering them properly. Agar once you have your face cleansed, you should always tone your face with a toner. Then you should use a spot cream if you have an acne. So tea tree oil is what I recommend, and I love using it. A spot cream, agar aapko koi skin mein problem hai, or a hyperpigmentation, or if you're using a spot cream, if you are, I'm not saying that you have to go out and buy it, but if you are, that is the next thing you do after a cleanser, a toner, a spot cream, a serum. Agar aap serums use kar rahe ho, you use an eye cream after that, a moisturizer, a face oil. So this is how you should layer it down onto your skin. Try it. You never know. Maybe that's the reason your skincare regime is not working for you. कि आप गलत order में डाल रहे हो या लगा रहे हो. This could work. So try it. Next is don't apply too much product if you don't need it. A pea size amount, एक मटर का दाना जितना, you could use a cream, or 1.5 pumps of a serum, or 1 or 2 drops of a face oil, less than half a size of a pea for your eye cream. So you don't need to layer it up. Don't put too much on your skin. Your skin doesn't need it. A little goes a long way. So watch out for that. Next is always double cleanse. For example, if you have makeup on like I do, so let's talk about me right now. I will use a makeup remover wipe or a makeup remover liquid on a cotton pad or an oil or a cream, whatever you use to remove your makeup with. I will use that. I'll take off my makeup first, and then you have to go ahead and wash your face with a cleanser. So if you want to try it out on yourself, go ahead and try it. No matter how many makeup wipes you use, every single makeup wipe you use, you'll have some gunk left on your makeup wipe. So it's better to wash your face with a cleanser afterwards. It'll remove it all. So always make sure to double cleanse. Don't just use a makeup wipe, makeup remover wipe और उसके बाद tone कर रहा है. No, try and wash your face. It'll really help you. Never forget to do a patch test. Let's say you're starting out a new product, or you're starting out a new skincare regime. Take the product, any new moisturizer or whatsoever it may be, do a patch test behind your ear to see if you get a reaction to it or any type of skin allergy. Don't just go ahead and apply it on your face. No, please do a patch test behind your ear. अगर आपको 24 hours में कोई reaction नहीं होता है, then that is fine for your skin. And if you do get it, it's safer to avoid it on the face area and just to fix the reaction of the skin allergy behind your ear. So always watch out for that also. Do not use expired products. आपके हर product पे expiry date लिखी होती है. So that expiry date applies from when you open it till how long it should last. It's mentioned on your product. So better option here is to write it down with a marker on the product कि आपने कब open किया था, so you can go ahead and finish it accordingly. But if you've not finished it, please throw it away. It's not good for your skin. Next is skin sunscreen. Sunscreen is everything, is super important. Please don't leave it out. Sunscreen will help you in the long run. अभी आपको नहीं पता चल रहा, but with the sun damage you get, your skin is aging a lot faster than you can see it right now. So whatever skincare regime that you're doing right now is going to help you later, few years down the road. अभी आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कुछ भी because you're still young, but few years down the road it'll show. So I always say you can slow down the process of aging, but once the aging has started coming in, once your wrinkles and your hyperpigmentation and your dark spots or whatever it may be, when you say you're aging, once you start aging, you cannot reverse it, but you can slow it down. So start now. Your skin will thank you later, is what I'm trying to say. Face masks are very, very important. We women tend to get lazy. Either you're a homemaker, you don't have the time. You're a working woman, no time. But try and take out a few minutes for yourself. It's only 15 to 20 minutes that you require. Either you make the face masks at home, which Indian women are really popularly known for, and they're very, very good, no doubt. Now you also get face masks ready-made in the market. Those are also good. See what your skin requires. Or the face mask sheets that you get. Garnier makes them, Face Shop has it, Body Shop has it. A lot of these companies get them nowadays. They're really popular now. Or those, whatever it may be, but do use them once or twice a week. It's really, really important. Now, sleeping masks. What sleeping masks are, they're not necessarily like a sheet mask, but they also come in a little pot. I'll try and find them. There are lots of them. I'll find them for you and I'll link them down for you. Go check it out on Nykaa, or go to your local drugstore and ask them for a sleeping masks. Sleeping masks एक pot में आते हैं, and they're a very thick cream or a moisturizer. You apply them at night on your skin and you sleep on it. And by the time you wake up in the morning, your skin is going to be all plump and fresh and glowy. It takes your skincare to a next level. It's just a lot of steps in skincare, but sleeping masks are starting to come into the Indian market now. It's an old concept outside, but they're really good. They're worth it. I've tried it and I really like it. Your skin feels really nice and soft, and you have that nice blushy, rosy effect on the skin. It's really, really good. You should change your skincare regime throughout the year. Now that autumn and winter, we're running into autumn, now the winter is starting out, आपका skin care regime different होएगा. For example, I have super dry skin in winters, so my skincare regime would be different as compared to the summers. As summers, I get a normal two combination skin, so my skincare regime is different. So work accordingly to the weather. It's really important. Next is change. Your skin will change as you age. So जो भी आप स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू आर यूजिंग इन योर 20s, they may not work for you in your 30s or your 40s. So change it accordingly because your skin is changing. The atmosphere, the environment, pollution, stress, all of this is going to age your skin. So work accordingly. Eat and drink according to your skin and mind. Super important. And I say the most important point here. Whatever you're eating and drinking right now is going to show up on your skin. So if you eat a lot of greasy stuff or oily, same thing, or a lot of sweets, people tend to break out or acne ho jata hai, pimple ho jata hai. Avoid doing that. Some people cannot consume alcohol. It doesn't work for them. Avoid it. Coffee doesn't work for somebody. Avoid it. You test and tries it. Try out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. If it doesn't work for you, cut it out of your system. Cut it out of your diet. Drink a lot of water. That is obviously really good for everybody. So watch out what you eat and drink. It really affects your skin. आप जो भी खाओगे, पियोगे, whatever you eat, whatever goes into your body, it's going to show up on your skin. So it's better to eat a lot healthier. This point specifically is for women. Remember, your hormones also impact your skin. So, for example, if you're PMSing or your periods are about to start, your hormones will impact your mood and your energy levels. You either are too moody, or you just don't have the energy, or you're feeling lethargic and you're too tired. ये आपकी बॉडी पे इफेक्ट नहीं करता है, हार्मोन्स आपके स्किन पे भी शो करता है. So a week before your periods are about to start, whatever doesn't work on your skin, let's say greasy food or ज़्यादा मीठा आपको सूट नहीं करता है, तो avoid eating it. Otherwise you'll break out. So watch out what you eat during the time when you're PMSing or your periods are about to begin. Eat clean, eat healthy. It'll help. Next step is exfoliation, scrubbing, जिसे हम कहते हैं. Scrubbing is also very important. It removes the dead skin cells of your skin. Your blackheads can also be removed. It's really, really good. Scrubbing is very important, you guys. Never forget, never skip it. Don't forget to use it. Once or twice a week in your bath, nahate time, scrub your face. Really good, really important. Next is using a retinol. I've recommended retinol to a lot of women. I see facing skin problems. I've used it on myself. I've recommended it to my mom also. Retinol, you may want to get it prescribed from a dermatologist, a skin specialist. What retinol does is it helps with fading scars. जैसे आपको acne हो जाती है, pimple आ तो जाता है, but it doesn't go away very quickly. It'll leave a scar on your face. So retinol use करने से it'll fade away the scar. You'll have an even skin tone. Some people have a darker forehead or a darker upper lip and chin area. Retinol will really help with that. Retinol also helps in reducing wrinkles and fine lines under the eyes, around the mouth, on the forehead. It really, really helps. So check that out. The next is vitamin C. I take a vitamin C pill or vitamin C ki goli. You can eat it. I eat it every day. Vitamin C you can find in any citrus fruit. Lemons, mossami, oranges, limes. But who has the time for all of these every day? Vitamin C really helps with aging skin. It helps with the dullness of the skin. Agar aapko dullness hai, if you have fine lines and wrinkles, again, it'll help you. Vitamin C brings a glow back to your skin, is what I'm trying to say. So apply vitamin C into your skin. You can either eat the tablet, or you can get them as a serum or a lotion or a cream. There are lots of ways you can get them in. Try that. Next is moisturize. Hydrate your skin as much as you can because you need it. Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of juices and water. Cut out drinking coffee and alcohol. The more you hydrate your skin is going to thank you later. So moisturize your skin. Even if you have an oily skin, please use a moisturizer. And if you think somebody is telling you कि moisturizer नहीं use करो, oily skin है, they're wrong. Google it, go see a dermatologist, ask an expert. They'll tell you, even if you have an oily skin, use a good moisturizer. And if you have a dry skin, but of course use a good moisturizer once or twice a day. Now that winters are coming up, twice a day would be good. And drink lots of liquids, really, really important. Next is, do not forget your neck and your chest area. जो भी आप moisturizers and creams and lotions अपने face पे लगाते हैं, apply it on your neck and your chest area, because वहाँ wrinkles सबसे ज़्यादा जल्दी दिखाई देते हैं. Last and not the least is, do not touch your pimples, you guys. We get really eager to poke them. Don't touch it. It could get infectious. Your hands may not be clean, or just don't do it. It's just not a good idea. It's too gross also. I did mention in my earlier videos of skincare is to use a tea tree oil. You can easily get them nowadays. Use it at night, apply it on your pimple, sleep on it, and in a couple of days your pimple is going to fade away. It will slowly go away. That is one of the tips. The other tip is, I read it somewhere, I can't remember where I read it, a long time ago, and I've tried it on myself, and trust me, this works. When you have a pimple, take a cloth, कोई भी रुमाल ले लो, कोई भी clean कपड़ा ले लो, blow on it, जैसे उसको गर्म करते हैं, and then apply it wherever your pimple is. Do it for 5 minutes. Start out with 5 minutes, and if you want to do it more, you know, when you get a painful pimple, the pain will obviously go away. वो सकाई करने से the pain is going to go away, and the pimple is also going to fade away in a day or two. So that really works. I've tried it, it's tested. And yeah, that is it from my side. If there is anything else you guys want to ask, or you guys want to know, leave a comment down below. And that is it from me for today. Thanks for watching the video. Bye. Wow.